How great potential does Neuralink have in solving serious health problems? What you are doing is going to change the world. It will change the way people like us enjoy life, and I think it should give a lot of people a lot of hope for what this thing can do for them. First and foremost, their gaming experience. But then that'll translate into so much more, and I think that's awesome, Noland said. These are just two of Noland's shares that demonstrate the great potential of this unprecedented and miraculous little chip to the world. Neuralink has opened up powerful application opportunities in medicine, including the health issues that cannot be ignored below. First and foremost, neurological disorders affect millions of people worldwide, including a significant portion, about 80% of the elderly population. For instance, Alzheimer's disease affects over 5 million Americans alone, with numbers expected to rise as the population ages. Neuralink's technology could potentially offer new ways to understand and treat such disorders, potentially reducing symptoms or slowing progression. While specific numbers on potential impact are speculative at this stage, any advancements in this area could significantly improve quality of life for elderly individuals and their caregivers. What is more, spinal cord injuries, often resulting from accidents or degenerative conditions, can severely impact mobility and independence. According to the World Health Organization, around 250,000 to 500,000 people suffer spinal cord injuries globally each year. Neuralink's technology, by enabling direct brain-computer interfaces, could potentially restore mobility for a significant portion of these individuals, though widespread adoption needs time to be proven. Vision and hearing impairments are common health issues among the elderly population. For example, the National Institute on Deafness and Other Communication Disorders reports that approximately 1 in 3 people between the ages of 65 and 74 has hearing loss. Neuralink's technology could offer promising avenues for restoring or enhancing sensory functions through direct brain stimulation or bypassing damaged sensory organs. Elon Musk just announced that blindsight is the next Neuralink product after telepathy. Its aim will be to work on restoring the vision of people who were born blind. 20% of adults aged 65 and older experience mental health concerns such as depression and anxiety, with studies indicating that Neuralink's technology could contribute to improved understanding and treatment of these conditions by providing insights into brain function and enabling targeted interventions. While it's still difficult to quantify the exact impact, advancements in mental health care could significantly enhance the well-being of elderly individuals. And last but not least, Neuralink's applications are so deep and wide that the billionaire did not hesitate to declare that the chip his company is developing will definitely cure tinnitus. And while you think it's funny to compare something as trivial as tinnitus to the prospect of symbiosis with artificial intelligence, you'd be wrong. So how can Neuralink change this situation that even leading doctors have to give up? Tinnitus is currently a chronic disease affecting billions of people around the world, and medicine has no definitive cure. Everything comes from the fact that we do not fully understand the complexity of the brain. Where are the buzzing, high-pitched sounds created by the brain itself as an illusion, even though our ears do not hear it, see them? But for about 15% of the world's population, their tinnitus is chronic. This means that sound hallucinations appear in their heads at any time, especially at night when the space becomes quiet. Responding to a post on Twitter, when a person with the James Law account asked, "Is there a chance can Neuralink cure tinnitus?" Elon Musk replied, "Definitely. Probably less than 5 years from now, when current versions of Neuralink are already semi-scalable, neural read/write devices with about 1,000 electrodes, and tinnitus will only require a lot less than 1,000 electrodes. Currently, the link chip is connected to the cerebral cortex, or the outer surface layer of the brain. This is the part of the brain that processes sensory input signals, including the brain. Therefore, in theory, Neuralink can completely capture noise signals in the auditory cortex and emit a reverse signal to eliminate it. This will ultimately help eliminate virtual ringing in the ears that the patient can hear, giving them back a quiet and clear space. It would not be an exaggeration to say that Neuralink has tons of potential in human healthcare. So, what neurological problems are you having, and are you ready to experience the Neuralink chip? Let us know in the comment below. What actions has Elon Musk and his company taken to respond to the expectations of patients around the world? With great purposes, including building devices now that have the potential to help people with paralysis regain mobility and independence, and invent new technologies that could expand our abilities, our community, and our world. Recently, Neuralink has been searching for resident neurosurgeons in Austin, Texas. The neurosurgeon will join the Neurosurgical Resident Innovation Fellow at Neuralink. Here is the job description and responsibilities of Neuralink's resident neurosurgeon position. As a Neurosurgical Resident Innovation Fellow at Neuralink, you will train with our neurosurgical leads to function as assistant or primary surgeon for experimental brain-machine interface procedures using human cadavers or large animal subjects. In addition, you will work closely with technical teams to continuously refine and innovate surgical techniques and provide usability and safety feedback. You will also participate in engineering design reviews for new developments of the surgical robot, surgical processes, or implant. Additionally, neurosurgeons work with veterinary anesthesiologists and veterinary technicians to ensure the humane and ethical use of animal subjects. The robotics and surgery engineering team is responsible for making sure Neuralink's various implanted devices get installed safely and efficiently in our customers. This means our job as a team is not limited to the insertion of the implant's electrodes, but instead is to own the full parking lot to parking lot experience of a potential Neuralink customer in a way that scales. We started by focusing on electrode implantation, but for Neuralink devices to help the millions we hope it can. The entire experience of getting Neuralink devices must be safe, quick, and non-traumatic. While we use the parking lot to parking lot idiom, this actually includes everything from pre-screening to the design and building of vertically integrated clinics to the actual day of experience of getting our devices, pre-op, op, and post-op. We are responsible for all of this. It is manifest that Neuralink's human trial patient, Noland has created a strong wave in healthcare. Currently, Neuralink aims to enable people with quadriplegia to control digital devices, improving their quality of life, as well as researching other health problems. Moreover, Neuralink has many vacant jobs in various departments located in Austin, Texas, and Fremont, California. Currently, it has open jobs in research services, robotics and surgery, brain interfaces, operations, and core software. It also has several internship positions. So, if you are a doctor of medicine, neurosurgical resident, or other surgeon in training as approved by Neuralink, you have 1-2 years of experience performing neurosurgery in an operating room. You have expert knowledge of operating room procedures with respect to sterile fields, surgical equipment, and surgical procedures. It will be a great deal for you because if you join this team, you will definitely have the opportunity to change the world and work with some of the smartest and most talented experts from different fields. You also have the growth potential. They rapidly advance team members who have an outsized impact, paid holidays, commuter benefits, and many others. We hope you will have the most relaxing feelings after watching this video. If you did, please hit the like button and join the family by subscribing to our channel. And don't miss out on any of our awesome videos by hitting the bell icon. We value your feedback and your time. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Until then, stay safe and have fun.